Miracle Faith AJ World. Hi everyone, welcome back to Miracle Faith AJ World. And today we are going to be doing another video. Today's video is going to be how to make your den more pretty and nicer instead of those other dens. This video is going to be in a gingerbread house. So let's get to the video and get on jamming. The den is going to be a modern den, which is going to be just things that I find in the gem store or stuff like that. It doesn't need to be really better items. You don't need to have better items in your dens to make it look nicer. It's just the way the layout looks. As for instance, I'm going to be creating how to create your den in this video. So let's get to the video and start on jamming. While it loads, I'll tell you stuff that you guys would like to know. So I just mentioned in my pack comment, when do the giveaway start? And in this video, I'll be telling you when do giveaways start. They about start in 2 more months, like 2 months period or a month. So usually I'll give away stuff like 3 giveaway items in a month. Let's check out my pack and see what they have. Okay, it's loading. Usually Animal Jam loads. I might look. Look. Okay, so let's get to jamming. As for a matter of fact, I think I'm going to be telling you more about when I do my when I show you the den items. I'll get a little bit more. This is the gingerbread house. This is 150 sapphires. I think it's out of stores. It's going to be out of stores when everything is when Christmas is over, when the Christmas seasoning is over. So, but make sure you get it right away before it gets out of store. We're going to be starting with the buffet room. The buffet room is going to be over here next to the lift-off station that ends over here. How we do this is we grab any kind of stand you got. It doesn't matter what kind of stand it is. It just has to be a stand that is regular. I don't know. Just stand. You don't need to have lots of den items for this nice den. Okay. Then you want to add in trendy pillows and things like that to complete this nice looking den. This nice looking buffet. You want to complete pillows so when the people sit down, they have a relaxing place to sit. When your buffet is all ready, this is how mine looks, and I don't know. It doesn't need to be perfect. It can be originally made. It doesn't need to be just follow what I do. You don't need to follow what I do. You can just create your own. Over here, I want to make this a living room space. As you can see, we are going to make this space a really nice looking space for your mommy, on your animal. So let's grab all the couches you get. The couches are at least 1,050 sapphires. I don't know for exactly, but you can get any color you have. There's any kind of sprite color. Sure. And yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so now you got to go and put on your lamps. I use floor lamps to make my house look real nice because if you can do that, and I do that. I'm going to use a pink TV to go with the theme right now. It's pink. So I'm going to use the pink TV and put it in the middle between the floor lamps. You can go ahead and add in arcade games and much more. I'm going to add in one arcade game to complete this room. Next, it's time to go with the bedroom. The bedroom's going to be in the top level. You can mix and match. This can be the living room. This can be the bedroom. This can be the bedroom. This can be the snack bar. As we can know, I'm going to add in the last floor lamp, and then we're going floor light strain. And I'm going to add in my drawer. And I'm going to add in my abstract couch, 2 couches. I have 2 couches, so you only need 2 couches to complete this transformation. 1 on each side. Then you will need to get the frozen table and the frozen chair. You adjust those, and you can get the TV as well and put that on the frozen table. This is going to be your desk. This chair is going to be the frozen desk is going the desk is going to be your chair. The frozen table is going to be your desk, and this is going to be your chair. You can go ahead and buy more things if you want. You can add more and make it more epic if you want to do it. As you can see, we got this fudge table thingy. I don't know what you call it, but it's just a fudge thingy. Let me see if you can actually put your couch on top of it. That'd be really cool though. I don't think you can, but you want to put your couch over here, like one more couch, one more of the couch. It doesn't need to be the same color, but I just like to use the same color. And then you want to add in like an attraction, like a shop or something. And you want to put the couch over here actually, so you can have a nice looking area, so like when you guys hang out or something, and it looks nice. This is one of my favorite houses. If you guys like this video, subscribe, please. I really want to get lots of subscribers. And yeah, this is my favorite game. That's why I put this. It can be any kind of game you would like on your own. My favorite game is Block Breaker. It's just fun to play. I'll show you how you can play it. All you gotta do is press play, and I'll show you how to play the game for a little bit. You can get gems and more if you have arcade games, or you can just press the game button, as I showed you in my other videos. This is how you do it. I am level 2 because I just started, and I think it's really awesome. So all you gotta do is you have to try to crack blocks, as you guys can see right there. That is a really fun thing, and it's really cool because when it dies, you can just do it another time. You get 2 rounds, as you guys can see, and you keep on playing. Let me quit, and yeah. Okay, next I'm going to be showing you that my store is going to be open, and guess what? Everything's going to be 1 sapphire. It doesn't matter if it's a beta item or if it's just a rare item or it's just a common. It's going to be 1 sapphire, everything. So head to my shop, and yeah, see ya, keep on jamming.